nothing else but take God with us. That is what his promise is. That's the only thing. No matter who is our enemy, no matter where you are going to be, no matter what you are going to do, if God is with us, nothing can, stop us. That is what, from the experience of, Moses, one of the greatest leader who lived on the face of earth, the man, God testified about the man as the meekest man. When you come to the book of Exodus chapter 33, we can see that. We can say how, he was, having a conversation with God. God called him, brought him out of, wherever his position was, and he brought him and told him that you go and be the deliverer for the nation of Israel, or for the children of Israel. And he went by obeying that, even though he made so many excuses, like some of us, so many excuses. But still, finally, he surrendered to the call of God. And he went and stood before Pharaoh. And he challenged him. And Pharaoh didn't have a word. Pharaoh has to agree with Moses' word or his command, because he went in the name of God. When he went, he came out, and they walked through all the wilderness, and they came and settled down. Then when the people were not very happy with him, they had so many complaints, murmuring against his leadership, all kind of things. But still, he stood for God. One time, when you come to chapter 33 Exodus, there is a conversation between God and Moses. Moses came and told before God and told that, you told me, oh God, you told me to lead these people. Lead these people, lead these people. Now they are here, they are out. It is your people. Now you told me to lead. Now who will go with me? God told that, what did God say? God said that, my presence will go with you. Next, Moses told her, if your presence does not go up with us, do not let us go up from, wherever they are. So, Freddy, as you endeavor into the ministry, as you, start your next career, so far no problem, because anything we have, I say we have friends, we have family, we have pastor, we have parents, we have everybody. But now, who knows, you may be standing all alone, challenging the world, telling who Jesus is, the Jesus who worked in your life. The Jesus who changed your life. You're going to tell the people, some people may not listen that one. Even a very, very dear and near one may turn, but still stand firm, like Moses stood. And another example is David, King David. When you come to Psalms chapter 124, it says that if the Lord was not on our side, when our enemy attacked us, when the flood came over us, it would have destroyed us. Because God was with David, and he had a very successful ministry, successful kingship. And that's what I want to just encourage to you. And also finally, let me conclude. You shared a very wonderful testimony about parents and pastor and everybody. Now you are going to be in that spot. I know that you have the courage. You have the boldness to take Jesus with you, to declare who Jesus is, to present Jesus before the people. And I know that God is going to bless you. Not now, as Pastor Matthew mentioned, now you are sitting here. Maybe after a few years, we have to get through the barricade of the security to meet Freddy. We don't know, but we don't know what is in God's store for him or for all of us, everybody, for ICA. If we stand with God, no matter what, he will take us through. Let the water come over us. Let the people stand against us, no matter what. Let me conclude by reading the words of Apostle Paul, which is written in the book of Philippians, the epistle of Philippians, chapter 1, verses 9 and 9, chapter 1, verses 9 to 11. It says like this, and this is my prayer, that your love may abound more and more in knowledge and depth of insight, so that you may be able to discern what is best and may be pure and blameless until the day of Christ, filled with the fruit of righteousness that comes through Jesus Christ, to the glory and praise of God. Let that be our motto. No matter how many days God give us life to live on this earth, let us live for Jesus Christ. Let us live for the glory of God, and let us testify him wherever God sends us. May God bless you. Thank you.